Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a regex tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Match a literal string with different possibilities. So last time we looked at the regex here, coding, to find coding inside the string. What else you can do is that you can have an or, similar to how the or operator for if else, we can have an or like this. So this is the start of it, and we're looking for yes or no, ending it. And then we can add as much as you want. So this is maybe yes or no or maybe. And just at least one of them has to be true to return false, true or false for the test method. So it wants us to complete the regex, pet regex to match the pet's dogs, cat, bird, or fish. So here, James has a pet cat. So we're going to change this to dog and then cat, bird, fish. Great. So now if you console log, result will get true. And then we'll just change this to fish. Dog will get true as well. So I just undo that. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much.